Methi is an easily available kitchen item and it can be used as per the directions for reducing the dandruff on the head. Now let us have a preparation for removing the dandruff, which is a very common disease among most of the people. We can have methi in raw form. Fenugreek seeds in the raw form. It has to be soaked overnight.
So we have soaked it overnight over here.
And we require curd to make it into a paste form.
So a cup full of curd, yogurt.
The soaked methi seeds can be put into the grinder. We require 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon.
We will just shoot methi into paste first.
You can add little curd also in it. Make it a good paste. Now the paste of methi is ready. You can add sufficient curd to that.
Add little by little, or I can pour all into it.
You can add little by little and see how thick it is.
Can kids also use this?
Yes. Anybody with the chronic dandruff problem can utilize it. It can be applied in the scalp and it can be continued for at least 1 week time.
Again in the morning.
Yes, morning hours it is always better.
And how long this needs to be put on the scalp?
Yeah, 20 to 25 minutes time you can keep it in the scalp. Then you can directly wash it off with plain water.
Is it convenient for women with long hair to do this treatment for the scalp?
Yes. On the scalp only you are applying. It can be easily washed off.
Can somebody use shampoo after this, or they have to wash with any special powders?
Clean gram powder is preferred. Make it clean after this.
For how long one can apply curd on the head? Will that cause any cold or sinus problem to people who are sensitive?
Normally with methi, I think it will not create any problem. If somebody is suffering only with the dandruff problem, they can use it. Any other difficulties like sinusitis and all, it may not be very comfortable. So only for the purpose of dandruff, with no other difficulties related to sinus and all, people can apply it.
There are some people who keep on taking shower with cold water. So will this be okay when they apply curd on the head and take cold shower?
That may not create any trouble for them. If somebody is familiar with cold water, it is fine, they can do the same. Or warm water is familiar, they can use warm water also to wash it off. That will not create any trouble specifically.
Is our paste ready, doctor?
Yeah, now the paste is ready. Now we can show how to apply this paste in the head.
So we can empty it in a container now?
Yes, we can. Container.
That's again such an easy work where you've got all the ingredients in the kitchen.
Yes.
We have to just ground and no chemicals on the head to remove your dandruff. No special shampoos required with state anti-dandruff shampoo, and they're so expensive in the market. How do we apply this? Can we directly apply, or we require any special oils?
First we have to apply ginger oil over the head. Then above that we have to apply this. That will generally ensure that you don't cause cold. just because of the medicine.
So this is methi paste ready for application.
Now the methi paste for application is ready. Apply little gingerly oil all over the head. You can massage it for 10 minutes.
Is it the scalp? I mean, we no need to have a hair, but get it on all the sides for the scalp.
It's basically meant for the scalp, so I think you can target the scalp areas mainly.
So after about 10 minutes or so, we can apply the paste?
Yes. Maximum 10 minutes oil can be retained. Then you can apply the paste.
And again, we see that it's just the scalp and not the hair. We can check if we require more, probably for
More areas are needed, you can cover that also.
Sure. But your hair need not be covered, it's just...
Yes.
And how long this young child can keep this?
20 to 30 minutes time. Minimum 20 minutes you require to retain this paste on the head.
And how long does it take to see the action, the dandruff or the dry scalp getting better?
1 week's time you must see positive changes.
So it's a everyday's application?
Yeah.
And how long the course can be continued?
Can do it maximum 7 days, one stretch.
And then we need to pause for how many days before we start the second course if it's required?
If it is very chronic, we can continuously do it for another 7 days. Otherwise, maybe after 1 week gap, again you can do it for 7 days. You can keep it for 20 minutes. Then wash the hair with green gram powder. It will give a silky appearance to the hair, and dry skin also will be relieved because of this application. Dandruff will be gradually relieved. Hair growth also will be improving. Now the application of the paste, methi paste over the head is complete. This can be retained for 20 minutes. If it is continuously used, it will give a silky appearance for the hair. It will improve the hair growth as well. Dryness of the scalp will be relieved and dandruff will be gradually reduced. 20 minutes time you can retain, then we have to give a bath. Clean the hair with green gram powder. That will be giving a better look for the hair also.
Again, you have come up with a very simple technique that we can follow home, how we can manage dandruff at home.